Okay, I want to do this video. Last Sunday, um, the pedals on our Hammond at the church failed me. I knew it was going bad, and it was the F pedal. I don't know if you can see how that it doesn't spring back up. It didn't spring back up. What I have here is the pedal board of my H143. All right, so the video. Thank you, Dr. Kemp, for showing us. I just want to reiterate the video. Again, my F pedal. I don't know if you can see that. It was a little wiggly. See how that's wiggly? Everything else is like kind of strong. And so what happens? It was sticking, and it was just horrible. It was just horrible. Okay, that's the F pedal right there. And you can just say there's no spring. So Dr. Kemp told us to go in and take the. I know this is a little shaky, and take off the cover, right, of the pedal board, which we already screwed off, and just taking it off right now. And there, you will find these screws. And the key is apparently they just need to be tightened. So I had to go ahead and find a socket wrench. I don't know what size this is. 5 5/16. So it's a 5/16 socket. Hopefully this will work tomorrow. And all you're doing, again, Dr. Kemp, thank you so much. All you're doing is going in and finding that pedal that's bad, which is this pedal right here. I just wish you could see that, how that bounces. See how that moves like that? It's supposed to come straight up. Okay? And I loosened that just to show you how wobbly that is. And it's horrible. So I'm just going to go and find that and just go ahead and tighten that up, right? Just a little bit at a time. I mean, and look at the difference. Look at the difference of that. Just that quick. Still a little bit more. It can take a little bit more. All right, I'm just going in and tightening it up. That's all. Look at all that. Okay, so I bet you the tight. That's tight. So I bet you the pedal board at the church is the same way. Got to get there early tomorrow. Maybe we'll record that. Maybe, but we're gonna post this tonight. This is something, you know, brothers. It's your instrument, so you need to know how to maintain it. You know, paying $75 for the guy to come for the first 30 minutes just to tighten that up. Oh my God! It's where is it? Oh, right there. No, yeah, there it is, right there. Yeah, see how that is? That's perfect. God bless you, and keep up the good work. Peace.